Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and this is Dinakaran. And thanks for joining. This is one of the continuation of previous video where we've already discussed what is Power Automate and what is the history of Power Automate. On the continuation of the next video, we are going to see what are the basic FAQ questions you will get it when you try to search for Power Automate at the first instance if you don't have any knowledge on Power Automate, right? So, and followed by that, we are going to see how to do the installation for the Power Automate. Either it can be a trial versions or it can be a premium versions, enterprise versions, and few information about the licensing. But as like complete FAQ part, right? So this is our channel RPS Space. You can explore. It does contain a lot of videos on Blueprint, UiPath, and Power Automate is coming on the way. Right. So the major FAQ questions, like this is what I summarized it up, but you might have a few more, but just comment it below. I'll try to address it whatever is possible at a short notice. Right. So is a Microsoft Power Automate and Microsoft Flow, both are same, of course, is how do you install Power Automate, right? You can either use browser to directly create a flow, or you can go for a desktop version. There is a both option available at the end. I'll show which is convenient. You can pick it up. And what browser it supports for Edge, Chrome, Safari, and Firefox, and so on. I've tested only this, right? Is a Microsoft free? Yes, of course, free, but with a limited actions. But if you want to explore entire thing, you just need to go for a full features with a licensing cost. So what are the licensing differ from this one with the basic one, but in website I'll show you with the recent type also they've added. Initially they have one for user per plan and then flow per plan. So user per plan is cost around $15 per month, and flow per plan with unlimited number of users is getting cost around 500 USD per month. So that's what the initial plan was. And followed to that, right? What is the AI builder in Power Automate? It could be a buzzword. You could hear about it. AI builder often related to the Power Automate. So it's nothing but it does contain ML and artificial intelligence component along with your business workflow, which will be helpful for you to analyze and make predictions. It's more right related to machine learning concepts, right? So you'll come to know more AI-related use case if we try to explore using Power Automate. That's where this is going to be helpful and easy to understand as well. It could be at the moment theoretically fancy, but when you get a real-world AI use cases, that is where it will be useful, right? Do you have Power Automate free license? Yes, it do have free licenses, but that does have a limitations, as I already said in point number 4. And you do have a trial version also. That's for 30 days. So that's a major FAQ for a beginner whoever is trying to explore in short at the first instant. But you might have a lot of questions around that as also. So this is for a generic questions. Whoever is going to get or explore, start exploring Power Automate, they might get it on their minds, which I just trying to summarize here. Right. And the next thing is like how to set up Power Automate, right? As I mentioned already, either you can go for a browser. Within browser also, you could have an option to create the flows, and you have options to install your desktop version, which is a Microsoft desktop, and you can do that as well. There is an options for that. You can download a exe file, and from the exe you can start doing the setup, and it's a usual setup process, right? At the end, you'll be able to see a web sorry, not a web applications. It's a Windows-based applications installed in your machines if you want to go for a desktop option. Web again, like as I said, if you go to flow.microsoft.com within an existing browser itself, you can try to create a flow. Only thing you have to sign in. That's it. And mobile, yes, there is an option for that as well within the flow.microsoft options itself, right? So if you go down, there is an option for mobile, right? So I'll show you in a browser and how that can be managed, right? So just jumping here, so you can see like flow.microsoft.com, and as soon as you hit this URL, you could see there is three options: one, sign in, try for free, and then buy now. Buy now, of course, everyone knows it's a cost-effective license. You have to pay for it and then get a license. Then that's one thing, and of course everyone would be interested in getting this try for free, right? So you can just click on it, and it'll ask for you to enter the username, sorry, email ID. Just hit it, enter, and get start free. You will get a URL. our exe file and then do the installation for it. And the third option I've already mentioned, you have option to download the mobile app also. Just click on this Google Play. You will have option to install it on your mobile. If you want directly search for this Power Automate Business Automation Workflow, you will be able to install this Power Automate in your mobile. To be frank, I haven't tried out this mobile version, but you have option to install it in your mobile. And even if it is Android or iOS, you do have options for it. So that's how you can install your Microsoft Power Automate with the different versions. Coming back to the products, right? So just before that, I'll show you pricing, right? So as I said, like there's one more column. So by user, if you go like $15 per month, which is in USD again, per user per plan with attended automations, you have $40 per month, and it does have terms and conditions. Just go ahead, but you can see includes 5,000 in the services credits per month. So just explore each and every options, whichever license is suitable for you, just go for it. If you don't want, just try go for free versions. So I'll show you I'll show you a browser thing, how that's getting worked. And if possible, I'll show you like exe based flows as well. So this is how your browser, within browser, you could see the Power Automate tools getting open, right? So you do have a lot of templates which is there. You could search for it and get all the things. You can see a filter, you can see monitoring, you can see the data and workflows. You can click on create and then go for creating workflows. So which workflow you want. So if you say like I just want to cloud related workflows, schedule related. So whichever is convenient, whichever is required for you, just go ahead and create it. So this is web related one. So when you go for exe, which is like Windows installer, right? So your just instead of, so I have one which is already within my Power Automate. So I'll just open it and show you. So this is how your UI looks for Windows-based installer in your desktop. And mobile version, as I already said, I haven't give it a try, but if you want just to give it a try and explore it, I think it's taking quite a few time. Yeah, that's how it is. So you have actions, variables, and here you have UI elements. You have images. So this UI will be similar to this. So this is one existing flow which I've created. I'll in the upcoming like next set of videos, we'll try to explore each and every menus, actions, and options which is available in this workflow, which is available for us. We have a web recorder, desktop recorder, everything. So yeah, that's in short, which I just wanted to cover in this video related to the setup. Just do the setup and make it ready so that we can catch up with the next session, which is more on practical part rather than having theoretical. So on a quick intro about our channel, right? So for who will be benefited? So freshers who just want to learn RPA from scratch, or any RPA aspirants who wish to learn or recall. And what are the tools which we have? For Blue Prism, we have already 80 plus videos on 80 plus videos on Blue Prism, which is end to end. You can learn it. And UiPath, yes, we do have videos close to 17 on UiPath. And Power Automate, we just started, and from next session, that's going to be a first practical session for Power Automate. And along with you all, I'm also excited to learn what is best features available in Power Automate and how do we implement our business process using Power Automate. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. We'll have more hands-on sessions related to Power Automate in the upcoming videos. Thank you.